world-class Arizona. And you know what? There are a lot of industries here that say, yeah, we're a part of that. And that's one of the reasons why it is that we came here. World-class Arizona also means, oh yeah, that GoDaddy place. Because GoDaddy is known around the world, but an awful lot of people have no idea what it is. And I'm going to ask you, right after you tell everybody what it is that you do, August Goldman of GoDaddy.
That's right. Well, my name's August Goldman, and I'm the Chief People Officer of GoDaddy, which means...
What does that mean?
Which means I'm responsible for the HR organization.
Alon, do you have some title that is as romantic as that? Alon Weissman.
You know, I could make up a special title, but I'm the social media operations manager. I could just say I'm a tweeter.
So what does GoDaddy do? I mean, an awful lot of people say, I love that. I love the race cars, and I love the commercials, but I don't understand what it is that they do.
We actually have amazing brand recognition. Over 80% of Americans know, who we are, and they recognize the logo, they recognize the name. Well, GoDaddy, first of all, is based here in Arizona. This is our headquarters in Arizona. A majority of our employees are based here in Arizona. What we do is we help small business. And when we say small business, we mean the micro business. It may be someone mowing lawn, it may be a dentist, a florist, someone who has a passion for doing something, but they want to get online. They want their digital identity, they want a website, they want to have social media networks, they want to be able to attract customers and retain customers on the internet. That's where we come in.
Okay, Alon, here we go. This is the situation. I'm a small businessman. I'm already small. Pretend I'm a businessman. I'm a small businessman. I call GoDaddy. I get you. What are you going to do for me, specifically?
Well, first I have to find out about you, right? So what is your business? What's your style? What are you looking for? So we try to understand the customer. Right?
I'm in retail sales. Is that enough?
I suppose. So you're a small business starting off with a brick and mortar. You want to get a website. Like years ago, people didn't have websites. They had brochures and they had the sign at the front of their store. But now everyone is looking online at Yelp and looking at reviews and looking at your website to make sure you're legitimate. So we want to help you get that legitimacy. And so we have the tools and we'll let you know. Like, we learn about you. Where are you? Can you build a website on your own, or do you need us to help you? Because we can help you. Do you want to do marketing? We can do that for you. It depends where you are in that stage of business, and we'll figure it out and help you get where you want to be.
Your background is international. Stockholm, Sweden, Munich, Germany, originally from San Francisco.
That's right.
You've been in all of those places. So why is GoDaddy here? Why did you pick Arizona?
Well, a couple of things. First off, GoDaddy was founded by Bob Parsons, who is a great person. I know you know Bob, and he is an amazing individual. What an entrepreneur. I mean, he started 3 different companies, and his spirit lives in GoDaddy. He's our chairman, and we all abide by his founding principles that help the little guy. That's his basic philosophy, is help the small business owner that no one else is there to help. And he came to Arizona some years ago and decided to start a new business here, and he named it GoDaddy. And he started it on Joe Max Road up in Scottsdale.
And by the way, he's watching right now and asking if you could mention his name several more times.
Happy to do that.
Before the end of the segment. Alon, if I have a small business, one of the biggest problems I'm going to have, no matter what it is that small business does, is creating an atmosphere whereby my employees really serve my customers. And I know that's important at GoDaddy.
Yeah, we actually, we are such a strong customer service organization. I think something like half or more than half of our employees are actually in customer service. That's where I started. And the first thing when you get a GoDaddy account, if you need help with anything, you give us a call, and we are actual human beings answering the phone, answering whatever questions that you have.
Wait just a second. Human beings answering the phone when we call a business that is as huge as GoDaddy. Who came up with that concept?
Yeah, right? Right? But it's the truth. With an organization where absolutely like half of the employees, or more than half, are actual customer service agents. We're there for you any time of day.
And you know what's special, and Alon's alluding to it, is that they are, I would call them small business consultants. I mean, people call up sometimes, they don't ask, hey, I built a website, I want it to go mobile. They ask, they start very early, say, I have an idea, how can I build a business? That's a lot of times the questions that we get. And so we're small business consultants. We have over 2,200 of them, a majority of them right here in Arizona, who will say, here's how you could build your business online.
Did Bob Parsons ever tell you how he came up with the name?
He did. He did tell me
Come on.
You know, it actually is an interesting story. So a lot of people try to find meaning behind the name. And they try to think, okay, where did it come from? Did it reflect upon Bob? Was there something else unique about it? Does it stand for something? And so we've heard a lot of different stories. In fact, when Bob was thinking, it was called Jomax Technologies because that was the name of the house that he originally founded the company on Jomax Road up in Scottsdale. But one night they're talking about different names and they're looking online to see which names are available, which .com name is available, which is very similar to what new businesses do all the time. And they use GoDaddy to do exactly that. And Big Daddy was not available. GoDaddy was available. And it was an idea. And the next morning, I think Bob came up and he thought about it. And he thought, you know what? GoDaddy. That seems to have a special ring to it. And it stuck.
And it's also one of the reasons why it is that GoDaddy is such an important part of world-class Arizona. Aren't you glad you found out why? Here on world-class Arizona, KTAR.com. Pow! GoDaddy.